If you're working a full-time job, the biggest reason most side hustles fail isn't motivation, it's time and mental bandwidth. So in this video, I'm breaking down the best local and online side hustle for busy full-time workers this year. Side hustles you can run without quitting your job, being glued to your phone, or burning yourself out. These are not hype ideas. They're systems-based side hustles designed to fit around a 9-to-5, not compete with it. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery. Let's get into it. Why most side hustles fail for 9-to-5 workers. Here's the truth most people don't want to say out loud. Side hustles don't fail because people are lazy. They fail because people are already tired. When you work a full-time job, your brain is already making decisions all day. So when a side hustle requires constant availability, fast replies, remembering details, and juggling all these tools, it becomes unsustainable. And that's why the best side hustles for full-time workers share 3 traits. They're asynchronous, they're repeatable, and they have structure. The goal isn't to work harder after hours. The goal is to remove friction so the work fits into your life. The foundation, you need a home base. So before we talk about specific side hustles, we need to talk about organization, because this is where most side hustles quietly fail. It's not that people are not capable, it's that their side hustle has no home. When your work lives across text messages, random notes, screenshots, emails, and mental reminders, everything feels manageable at first. But the moment your day job gets busy, your energy drops, or you miss a night of work, but things start slipping. You forget who you promised what, you reread old messages just to remember context, you waste half your available time just figuring out where to start. And that is not a motivation problem, that is a structure problem. And this is where Notion comes in, not as a productivity app. Notion works because it gives your side hustle a home base, one place where everything related to your side hustle lives outside of your head. In a simple Notion workspace, your clients live in one place. And most importantly, your next steps are obvious. Instead of sitting down after a long workday and asking yourself, what am I even supposed to work on tonight? You open one page and immediately know. You are not planning, you're executing. And that clarity is what makes side hustles sustainable alongside a full-time job. Notion isn't here to make things complex, it's here to remove friction. That's why Notion is the foundation for every side hustle in this video. I'll link Notion down below if you want to set up a simple home base like this. Side hustle number 1, online freelance support. This is one of the most underrated side hustles for full-time workers, and that's because most people misunderstand what freelancing actually looks like. When people hear freelancing, they think personal branding, posting on social media every day, competing with influencers, or trying to stand out in crowded markets. And that is not what this is. What we're talking about here is plugging into existing demand. Platforms like Upwork already have businesses actively looking for help. These are real companies with real problems, and they're not asking you to invent something new. They're asking for support with things like admin work, research, inbox cleanup, CRM updates, documentation, scheduling, and basic operations tasks. The reason this works so well for 9-to-5 workers is because most of these tasks don't require real-time availability. You're not expected to be online every day. You are not fielding urgent messages every hour. The work is often project-based or asynchronous, which means you can do it all at night, on weekends, or whenever you have a focused time. You're also not convincing people you're good from scratch. You're responding to people who already know they need help. But here's the part most people miss. Every simple freelance work becomes overwhelming if you're juggling multiple clients without structure. And that's where people burn out, not from the work itself, but from trying to keep everything straight in their head. And this is where Notion and Upwork work really well together. Each client becomes a clear entry in your system. You track what they asked for, what you've already completed, what's waiting on feedback, and what needs to happen next. If you want access to flexible online work that actually fits around a full-time job, I'll link Upwork below so you can see what kinds of projects are already out there. Side hustle number 2, simple digital services. A lot of people avoid online side hustles because they think you need to be creative or artistic to make money. You don't. What most businesses actually need is not a design genius, it's basic, reliable execution, clean visuals, consistent formatting, someone who can take an idea and turn it into something usable without drama. And this is where Canva becomes powerful. Canva allows non-designers to create things businesses use every day. Nothing complex, just things that need to look clean and professional. And the reason this works so well for full-time workers is because the work structure is forgiving. Tasks can be batched, deadlines are flexible, and the skills are easy to learn without formal training. You are not positioning yourself as a designer, you're positioning yourself as someone who helps businesses get things done without friction. If you want to explore this type of side hustle, I'll link Canva below. Side hustle number 3, local but online coordination work. This is one of the quietest side hustles and one of the most overlooked. Local but online coordination work isn't about doing the service, it's about managing the information around the service. Think coordinating vendors, managing bookings, organizing logistics, handling follow-ups, or keeping timelines on track. You're not on the ground doing the work, you're making sure the right people have the right information at the right time. For a full-time worker, this is ideal. The work is mostly asynchronous, you're updating information, confirming details, and keeping things organized, often outside normal business hours. But here's the catch, without structure, coordination becomes chaos. And that's when people quit side hustles, not because they cannot do the work, but because the mental load becomes way too heavy. With a home base in Notion, everything changes all in one place. Instead of reacting to information, you're managing it intentionally. This kind of work pays because it removes stress from other people, and stress removal is extremely valuable. When your structure is solid, your side hustle works with your full-time job, not against it. How these tools work together. This is the key part most people miss. Each tool solves a different problem. Notion organizes the work, Upwork brings in the work, and Canva helps you deliver the work faster. You're not using tools for the sake of tools. You're building a simple that reduces mental load, that fits a 9 to 5, and doesn't rely on motivation. When your side hustle is easy to manage, you stick with it. And when you stick with it, it grows. Why this actually works for full-time workers. Most side hustles don't fail because people are lazy or inconsistent. They fail because they demand too much and too fast, especially from people who already have a full-time job. And this setup works because it respects your time and your energy and your mental bandwidth. Instead of reacting to messages, you're responding to a system. Instead of holding everything in your head, the structure holds it for you. When your side hustle has a home base, you don't waste your limited evening energy. You are not relying on memory, you are relying on clarity. And clarity is what makes this sustainable alongside a 9 to 5, not hustle, not pressure, structure. That's why this actually works for full-time workers and why people who build side hustles this way stick with them long enough for them to matter. If you want one place to organize your side hustle outside of your full-time job, you can use Notion as your home base. I'll link it down below. If you want access to flexible online work that fits around a 9 to 5, I'll link Upwork down below. And if you want to deliver clean, professional assets, Canva is also linked down below. All 3 links are in the description. If this video helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.